program up and down cutters easier and more accurately than ever before. With our specially developed up and down module, you can define all critical tool parameters directly, while NUMROTO automatically calculates the remaining geometry and flute data. This means you no longer have to work through indirect programming methods. Instead, key parameters such as front cutting edge length and the so important overlap amount can be specified directly. And it does not matter whether you use different helix angles, rake angles, or core diameters at the front or back of the tool, because all these values are automatically considered and integrated into the calculation. The result is maximum accuracy with minimal programming effort. In addition, innovative probing functions allow you to determine the basic geometry of unknown tools, making regrinding significantly easier. Experience the up and down module for yourself and discover a new level of precision and simplicity in the manufacturing and regrinding of up and down cutters.